Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about severe weather potential coming up. Um, for the next few days, we have a slight risk issue for day 2, so we're going to be talking about that in today's video. So let's get into today's video. Today we did have a slight risk. It has been downgraded. Part of the reason is the storms moved out of the area. It was for Texas, now they're in a general thunderstorm. So yeah, real quick, I want to let you guys know, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be doing KC weather briefings Monday through Friday, every single day, and then Saturday and Sundays I'm taking a break and from doing it, and then I'll be doing that every single day, and then I'll be doing still whole weather forecast videos, just probably not every single day, but I'll try my best to upload as much as I can with the full US kind of videos. Let's get back into the video here. So we have 3 marginal risk areas. This marginal risk here, it was a lot bigger this morning. This marginal risk down here, this marginal risk up there. There was actually a big old marginal risk earlier. It was like this, not quite that big. It was about this, probably big for this region, and then the slight risk was right here. For that region, but then they changed it, so it makes it look like it's a new day 1 outlook, but it's actually not. It's the same one from earlier, they just changed it. Let's look at the tornado risk for today. There's a less than 2% chance, so that's some good news. No tornadoes expected today. Now, there was 5% earlier, but now there's no longer a 5%. 5% chance of hail. In the secondary area, 5% chance of hail. And then our wind threat here for this region is a 5% chance for this region here, a 5% down here, and then 5% all the way up here. So let's move into tomorrow's severe weather threat, where we have a big marginal risk here from Montana all the way down to Texas, going all the way up to North and South Dakota, including Minnesota, parts of Iowa, Missouri, Wisconsin. So pretty big area of severe weather expected tomorrow, at least level 1 severe weather threat. And then level 2 slight risk for this region here in the yellow. There's a slight risk of severe weather, including Montana all the way down to Nebraska and Colorado. So yeah. Let's get into the tornado risk, and we have some good news. Less than 2% chance of tornadoes tomorrow, so that's some good news. The hail risk for tomorrow is 5% chance, and then a 15% chance here for this region. And then we look at the wind threat here for tomorrow. We see a 5% chance, and then a 15% chance here for this region. Let's look at day 3 now, categorical outlook here. We see there is 2 areas of marginal risk. This marginal risk here from Wisconsin all the way down to Kansas and Missouri. And then we see this other one from Montana and South Dakota all the way down to Colorado. So yeah, here's the probabilistic. We can't look at the tornado or hail threat, but we can look at the probabilistic, and there's a 5% chance. So yeah, let's look at the model here, see what they're thinking here for today. So don't forget, there's marginal risk down here, down there, and up here. And we see some storms in Texas. We see some thunderstorms up in south and north and south, and maybe in Minnesota, Dakota, of severe weather possible, and then maybe some storms near Louisiana, and then maybe some storms in the central United States like Missouri, Oklahoma, Kansas, Arkansas, maybe some thunderstorms, just regular thunderstorms. And then we're heading into tomorrow. We could see some storms near Nebraska, South and North Dakota. This is from the latest radar scan for tomorrow. This is about, the storms aren't going to develop till about 8 o'clock tomorrow, and then probably fade out by about 1 o'clock. And then we go on. Then we're looking at the next day's severe weather chance. On Friday night, we see some storms from New Mexico all the way to Nebraska, no, South Dakota, sorry, for possible thunderstorms that could be severe. Let's look at, where's the, I can't look at it right on here. Well, I can't look at the instability, but there could be some storms here. Let me switch to the northern United States here. Look at the instability. You're going to see a lot of instability up here, about 2,000 Cape convective available potential energy, and that's quite a bit. Look at the dew points up here. You can see that dry line there. Wow. And then 65, and then the other part of the dry line where there's 49 dew points. So it's the moisture you need. So on Pivotal Weather it has the shear and stuff, just not on here though. But a lot to watch for thunderstorms up in this region because it's very favorable for severe weather up there, and we're going to see possibly some storms up there. We'll have to watch those if you guys are in those areas. I wouldn't be surprised if Friday could get upgraded to a slight risk for this region, possibly. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Today was kind of a quicker kind of video. Part of the reason was the SPC outlook. Yeah, actually, let's real quick, before we end the video, let's real quick, look at actually tomorrow's severe weather chance, just real quick, see how much Cape or instability, whatever you want to call it, is there for tomorrow. Let me go back, let's see how much instability there will be. There won't be as much, but there will be about 1,000 Cape here. So, and then our dew points, or moisture, you can call it, at least favorable for severe weather. I think Friday is more favorable in that area, but this model has been wrong a few times, so I don't have the full trust in this model quite too much, so I might be switching to a different model from now on if it's wrong, because it's been wrong lately. At least I've used it. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's severe weather video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll continue to watch it, as there could be some severe weather. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.